Hey guys, okay. I have gone through so many garden hoses, it's actually embarrassing. Kinking, leaking, cracking after one winter. Sound familiar? I finally found one that has genuinely not let me down, and I've been using it hard. I'm actually glad this was gifted. This 100-foot heavy duty hybrid hose, 5/8 inch, all black, and the first thing I noticed is when I pulled it out of the box is how light it is. 100 feet sounds like it'd be a workout to drag around the yard, right? But it really is not. And it uncoils without fighting you, which already puts it ahead of every cheap hose I've owned. The construction on this thing is legit. 3-layer braided hybrid material, flexible but tough. The fittings are solid brass, both ends, male and female, and they've got a swivel grip so connecting and disconnecting is actually easy. No more wrestling with the stuck hose coupler. It's rated to burst out at 600 PSI. I'm not testing that personally, but knowing it's built to that standard tells you that they didn't cut any corners. Now the water flow is strong. This is a full 5/8 inch inner diameter, so you're not getting a weak trickle. I've used it for watering the garden, washing the car, rinsing down the driveway, and it handles all of it without any pressure drop. And it works at 200 PSI operating pressure. So if you're running it off a strong spigot, no issues whatsoever. Now, here's the part that actually impressed me. This hose stays flexible down to -50 degrees. Most hoses go stiff and brittle the second temperatures drop. The 5/8 inch heavy duty connectors seal tight every single time. So no dripping at the connection point, no water waste, no having to fiddle with it or retighten it every time you use it. You just screw it on and you go. That sounds like a low bar, but trust me, not every hose clears it. And if you're tired of replacing cheap hoses every season, just get this one and be done with it. It's flexible, lightweight, built tough,